Hi, it's Marsha, and I'm here to introduce my October block. And Mark's gonna pan in. Are you panning in?
I'm panning in.
Okay. And it's pretty straightforward. We just realized I always use that, but it is. But I think it is a compliment to the rest of the blocks we've been making. And the kit that you get is a large piece. And I'll just put it up here. Because you're going to cut, I hope it doesn't cut. You're going to cut out of this 2 blocks that are 7 1/4 each. And then you're going to cut it on the diagonal 4 times. So that would make these pieces right here. Okay. And then you have your color 1 and 2. And the cranberry is 4 pieces, and the green is 4 pieces, and you have to make cut 6 4 1/4 squares to make all the quarter triangles you need in each block. So we're going to mention one thing as I walk in front of Mark. Here is one of the green for here, and then we have to add a triangle on both sides. And to do that, as explained in the written part of your kit, is to allow a 1/4 inch on the bottom so that it overlaps higher on the top. And then once you sew it on, we have it now like this, sewn on. And then we have to add another one on this side. So we take another block, another 1/4 inch, and it goes over, and that way you have enough 1/4 inch at the end of the block. And then you add your last one, which fits right across. But the 1/4 inch up on each triangle is a necessary thing so that you get enough at the top. And on your paper, once you make all your 4, 2 of your one color, 2 of the other, and you sew them together. Any questions, please call. Miss you all. I hope you have a nice Thanksgiving. The next block will be on November 27th. And in the meantime, keep sewing.